Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the types of digital marketing. As I said already in the last video also, digital marketing is an ocean. There are a lot of types and concepts that are revolving around digital marketing. And we will not be able to cover everything. We'll try to cover whatever the important aspects of it so that you know the basics of digital marketing, which is the core concepts of digital marketing. The important types of digital marketing are search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, web analytics, and content marketing. These are the important ones. There are many more, but we'll talk about that later. Okay, let's get started with the first one. Search engine optimization and search engine marketing. Whenever you are looking out for something, you take up your mobile or you go to your internet and you type for that in the search engine and search for it. Obviously, most of us will be using Google. So let's take Google as an example whenever I'm talking about search engine. Okay. So you go to Google, you type the information you want to know, and you see a list of results which is getting popped up in Google. Okay. If you notice, the initial ones will be mentioned as ad. Yeah. The next ones will be mentioned as, there will be no mention, that will be just a list of content or website links actually. Yeah. So the ones appearing as the ads comes as a result of SEM. SEM is called as search engine marketing. The remaining ones which doesn't have the ad text near them are called as SEO, search engine optimization. Okay. To appear on Google without the text ad, you need to do SEO, search engine optimization. To get your website appear on Google first page organically, you need to focus on SEO. Yes, SEO is going to take a lot of time because you need to optimize your website, you need to optimize the content based on that, you need to identify the keywords. All these things I will explain more detail in the SEO lesson. In this lesson, I will just cover the basics actually. Yeah. So, but SEO is fruitful on a longer run. You can see the results on a longer run, but you will not be able to see the results immediately. It will take minimum 6 months or 1 year time, depending on the keywords, competition, and quality of the content you are going to post. That's all. So, if you have the option of having a budget and you want to see results soon, then you can invest in search engine marketing, where you pay up the money to Google. There's a tool called Google AdWords where you pay up the money and you bid on search on the particular keyword which you want to be showcased, and Google will show you your website in the ad. SEM will give fast results, but it will disappear once your budget is depleted. When you have been asked to run a SEO or SEM campaign for a client, start with SEO always. Implement SEM if the budget is available for the customer. Again, it depends on the niche of the website and the budget. Okay, I will always recommend you to do SEO as a mandate thing and do SEM if the budget is available. That way, you get you get results on a longer period rather than getting results on a shorter term. You always look at the long game. That's the best way to go about it. So this is how it will appear in the SEO and in the search engine actually. When you go to Google and type in doctors near me and press it, the initial 2 or 3 listings will be shown as SEM. These are appearing because those websites has paid Google to appear in the push. And the ones below that ad appears because of the SEO. These websites has invested in SEO and they have created backlinks, content, keywords, and all those stuff to appear in this question organically. That's how SEO and SEM works. Let's move on to social media. Next one. There are 2 things in social media also. One is social media optimization, which is completely organic, where you create social handles across the social media platforms and you post content on a regular basis. So people, whoever is following your pages or profiles, will get the content organically. The second one is where most of the social media platforms are having marketing option where you can pay the social media to showcase your content to more audience actually. Yeah, that is called as social media marketing. The organic methods are called as social media optimization. The paid methods are called as social media marketing. Okay. By using this, again, it depends on the budget and the niche of the customer website. I would recommend you to start with social media optimization, and if the budget is available, then go with social media marketing. So social media optimization is more of a longer game when you are doing it because you are building up audience, you are creating brand presence and all those stuff. But when it comes to marketing, it is a similar like SEM, where if the budget is available, you can do a quick, you can throw some budget in and you can see a quick results for traffic or conversion or engagement for your website. That's how SMM works. So let's look at some of the examples actually. Okay, in this, you will be able to see two images actually. One is an organic content, another one is a promotional content. Organic content will be appearing only to the people who are following the specific page. Let's take an example. Gooey is the page which I have displayed over here. This content, which is mentioned as organic content, will be appearing only to the people who are following the page. It will not appear to others. Whereas the promotional content, the one which is there in the promotional tab side, that will be appearing only to people who has been targeted for this ad. This is an ad, that is an organic post. That's the difference. Same way for Instagram also. This is an organic content which will be appearing only for the people who are following, and that is an ad which will be showcased to people who the company or the business has targeted. That's the difference between social media optimization and social media marketing. Let's get into email marketing. Most of us are checking our mobile mails on a daily basis. And the best way to stay in touch with your customer for any business is to send a mail. Yes, you can. Your mail content can be a newsletter or an offer or any discount, or it can be an update, or it can be a new product launch or a new service launch or an event, anything. But when you are constantly in touch with your customers or prospects, your customer and prospect will remember you more, and it helps them in nurturing a relationship with you. And also, if he is not a paid customer, it helps you in converting them to a paid customer. So that's the beauty of email marketing. Another important point is web analytics. Analytics will help you analyze the traffic to your website with many metrics. There are a lot of metrics like how many number of people have visited the website, what is the peak time of any people who are visiting our website, and how many people have revisiting the website, existing users who are coming back to the website, or how many new users are coming, whether people are staying in the website and browsing through the content or they are leaving immediately. All these details are available in the analytics. By using analytics, we will be able to decide whether the website content is good enough, or we can even enrich the content based on the analytics. Analytics will help you in optimizing and providing more value to your audience. Whenever a business is asking for a digital plan, always recommended to go with integrated digital marketing plan, where you mix up all these things: SEO, SEM, SMM, SMO, email marketing, content marketing, everything mixed up, and provide them a service. That is the best way to go about it, because each one of them are complementing each other. And a social media optimization can help SEO also. That is the beauty of all these things actually. The SEM campaign can help SEO. SEO, indirectly everything is coming back to the website, and the website gets more traction, visitors, and you get more results. We used to have a client where we did for like 1 year, more than a year. We tried to get the client's site in the first page, but we are not able to do it. We were doing all kind of SEO activities, but when we started investing on SEM for the same client, we were able to see the results within a span of time. So it is ideal that all the efforts we did in the SEO part and the added advantage of the SEM has mixed matched and helped each other, and now we are able to see the results in the first page. That's the beauty of using a integrated digital marketing. When you integrate everything and collate with each other, the results are coming from different parts. Paid ads, nothing but SEM and SMM. Paid customer is the ultimate aim for any business. We have social media marketing optimization, and we have search engine optimization, and we have emails. And the main thing is it all comes from the website and the content, the landing page or the website and the content. Okay, so for the website, to get visits, we will be leveraging search engine, social media, paid ads. Only when people are coming to the website and being there for the content and spending more time for the content, your website will be displayed more on the search engine. Again, the content which you are posting in social media will help you in the search engine part. As I said, it's all interconnected, and each one of them is going to help the business grow from different direction. And at the end, it will all come to the paid customers, and the result will be in the increase of paid customers. That's how it goes. So the other type of digital marketing or affiliate marketing, sales funnels, conversion rate optimization, e-commerce marketing, video marketing, influencer marketing, SMS marketing, messenger marketing, performance marketing, revenue marketing, and the list goes on and on. Let's just focus on the important types of digital marketing so that you know what to do as a digital marketer. It may be feeling overwhelmed and a bit complicated. What is this? Too much of information is there, and will I be able to really understand all those things? Don't worry about that. I'll explain one by one in the upcoming videos, so you will learn pretty easy. And also, the best way to learn digital marketing is to implement and experiment your learning. That's the best way to go about it. So my recommendation for you to pursue this is start your own website. Start driving traffic using the digital marketing techniques which you are going to learn in the upcoming videos. And also start documenting whatever you have implemented for your blog. Yes, when you write all your knowledge and experience on your blog, you also create an asset for yourself, and you can showcase this as a case study for your job or for your clients also. This will help you to stand out of the crowd and showcase your industry experience. And by having a site of your own, you don't need to depend on anyone else to learn digital marketing. That's the best part about it. So basically, I used to hear a lot of people will be complaining about my company is not giving me the budget or the option to learn this, learn that. This is a complaint most of us are giving us actually. Don't complain about that because it depends on the company and the budget and the clients actually. So don't depend on anyone. Start your own website and learn all your learnings. Implement small budget, even a small 100 rupees or 200 rupees or 500 rupees. Small budget. Spend small time. It's all about your time actually more than budget. You spend your time in learning how it works and spend time on a little bit on the budget so you also know how the ads also works. Okay. And by creating your own website, and as I said also already, you'll be able to stand out of the crowd and it will help you in get a job, as well as when you showcase more of your learnings in your website, you might be getting a consultant or an agency project also. There is a high chance of getting that. Okay. So how to start a blog? First thing you need to do is pick a topic. something which you are passionate about, which you can talk or write about without even hesitating. Yeah. If you like cooking and you can write about cooking, you can talk about cooking, then pick that as a topic. First step is to pick a topic. Second step is to book a domain. Third is to buy a hosting and then install a blog and start blogging. Then once you do this, in the upcoming videos, when you start learning SEO, SEM, SMM, all those things, you implement the learning back into for your website, for your blog. Okay. In the next video, I will be covering about how to start your own website and what are the basic things which you need to know as a digital marketer to understand the website, hosting, DNS, and other technical stuffs also. Just the basics I will be covering in the next video. See you in the next video.